I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Architect, thank you so much. About $1 million.
And I love you so
to do with it? Let's hear your beautiful voice.
I want to tell her that I love her so much and I'm always for her and I'm so grateful for everything she's done for me. And she's the best teacher ever.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Mommy, do you have anything to say about her?
I want to also tell her I love her so much. She's the best gift that God has given me. I will always love her, I will cherish and ensure her. She's in safe hands with lawal. I want to wish them all the very best and all of the goodness that life has to offer.
Amen. This is so beautiful. Mother's prayer, mother's love. Ain't nothing beat my mother's love. Isn't it? DJ Wise, let's go. Let's have that.
To celebrate first assignment, and we are doing this one in a very special way. Our Ilorin people are very amazing and homely people, family oriented, very respected, very white. So we are making this one in a very special way for our both families, ladies and gentlemen. So they're asking me to tell you, they don't know how many children you want to have, so you guys can discuss it. You can just take your time and discuss it. I'll start from 20. When you get to the number, you can just cut. Yeah, I like the part where you discuss. It will interest you to know that this event is proudly brought to you, planned, coordinated by one of Nigerian most sought after events company, the Chocolatesignature event based here in Kaduna. I have my brother and my friend DJ Wale, who is on the wheels of steel. Our beautiful decor is by Psyche, ladies and gentlemen. We are set to call this beautiful cake. So can we have your hands on it? I like that. We're starting from 20. That's 10 girls and 10 boys. Lawal, is that good? I should calm down. All right. 5 beautiful girls and 5 beautiful, handsome boys. 10. 10 is good. Aisha, I like what you're discussing. All right, they said I should calm down. 7. 5. Now I want to call. Aisha say, who will born them? Who will born it? Ladies and gentlemen, for our beautiful couple, we are out here to celebrate today. 2 beautiful girls, 2 handsome boys, 4. It's a serious matter. Ilorin people have fun now. Alright. Wally, are you with me? Wally, are you with me? Very good. Ladies and gentlemen, Lawal and Aisha. 3. Please, 3, can you help me put your hands together for them? 3 beautiful children. I will start to believe them.
Kasance da madani za a da masoyan wadani.
Sarauniya me kyan gani, babu ke yayi babu ni. I am sick, zamar mini magani, shige zuciya ta ga wuri, ina kwana ina wuni.
Ko ina nake ina tunanin ki, dare da safiya ina ta zancen ki, in sace zuciyata, in sace zuciyata.
Ajiya gidanta, ita ce sarauniya ta, ai gimbiya.
An daura, jibi an daura, auren mu, in ji an daura. An daura, jibi an daura, auren mu, wallahi an daura.
Amarya say, Mama now,